Hi, I'm Loraine. You've seen me on Seminar, Binne London, and maybe an advert or two. Do you know what? I'm actually working at Deloitte and I love it. So why did I join Deloitte? So just a bit of interesting background. I actually studied consumer science. I wanted to go into clothing buying but as a student I did so many other things, and that actually built my character and broadened my horizon. So in my final year I had the opportunity to have a discussion with the CEO of Deloitte Consulting. And I promise you, since the day I had that conversation, it was a life-changing experience. So the other day I realized that I've been at Deloitte for 3.5 years, and I just thought, wow, I couldn't have asked for a better learning school and opportunities. And within Deloitte, I've moved around between 3 different areas, mostly in consulting, and now I'm currently in talent. And I promise you, it's just, if you deliver and if you perform, there will be other opportunities. And if you feel that that's the better fit for you, you will add value and your personality thrive at the end of the day as well. So our X factor of Deloitte, I would definitely say our people. We built this company on people, so from personality, but obviously intelligence. So we need to go and solve clients' problems, we need to build those relationships, and people need to trust us. And I mean, we've been here for years and years, and clients are falling over their feet to actually get us to solve their problems, and it's because of our people. It's difficult to describe Deloitte in one word, but if I can do that, I would say magic. What can we create in this company and the solutions we come up and our offerings? It's never done before, and I promise you it's like the galaxy. There's always something new. So on a daily basis you work with awesome dynamic people, and if I need to describe Deloittians, it's people with energy, with enthusiasm to life, very loyal to our company, but also love people and solving problems. I often get the question that, yes, you do have your own website called Loraine, and you play in soaps and adverts, and you do a lot of other social activities. I mean, how would an employer like a Deloitte allow that? So actually that is key, because here at Deloitte we look after our people, and if that means you play in soaps, for example, we need to have that time where you actually go and explore the other opportunities. Yes, we work differently. So sometimes we start at 6 or 7 on a set, and you do your casting for the day on a site, and then you join your other colleagues for a 24/7 job at Deloitte. And you know what's important, because you need to feed your other passions, because otherwise you won't be you. And yeah, my personality has to thrive on that, so I need to feed the other passions, and also to keep a creative outlook. That is quite important. What inspires me, I would say, is I know the potential I have, and the fact that I need to develop that. So I'm a creative person, so I know I've got certain talents, and if I develop it, I might get to a certain point. So that's actually what drives me, is to fulfill my full potential, and that will never make me stop. So how Deloitte supported me to reach my potential up till now? I would say from the day one, to actually give me the opportunity to come into a corporate environment with almost a creative kind of background. That was the start. And also to give you the opportunities that suit you the best, your skill set or your personality. And the fact is that my website called Loraine.co.za is actually one of the Deloitte initiatives. It's indirect marketing to show that the kind of living you can have when you join a Deloitte. So that's how Deloitte supports me up till now, and I love it. I would like to give people advice, from students up until a CEO. What would get you into a Deloitte environment, and what do you need to have as characteristics? So I would definitely say energy, enthusiasm. You need to grab opportunities, and you need to be very loyal to your company, but also to your clients. And you need to have that passion to build relationships and to solve the problems, because at the end of the day, that is what gives you the work satisfaction. And that's why our company is so big today, is because of our people.